Hello and welcome everyone. As you all are aware of our online ongoing sessions with Dr. Sidhu related to the classification of matter. So Dr. Anu Sidhu is here with us today and let's see what we have up for discussion. Hello Dr. Anu Sidhu, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm so excited to be with you today. How are
And so
you?
we are. I'm good, and we are also very excited to have you on board. So, Dr. Sidhu, in the last few sessions, we discussed about different classifications of matter. So, would you please sum up or you summarize the concept for our viewers?
Yes. So we started with universe. We live in this universe. Universe has two categories. That is energy and matter. Energy and matter, these are interconvertible. We'll start with matter. Matter has two categories, that is mixtures and pure substances. Mixtures have two categories, homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Coming to the pure substances has two categories, that is elements and compounds. Elements are classified as metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Pure substances are classified as inorganic compounds and organic compounds. So this is the classification tree. We start with the universe, then energy, then matter, and we went towards the matter side. We classified the matter.
Okay, that's amazing. Dr. Sidhu, can you please suggest some study material and resources to practice this concept for our viewers?
So for students, I recommend the students must use their textbooks, because textbooks, they have a lot of questions, a lot of concepts there. So they must read those concepts. And I am pretty sure the students will understand that concept once they have heard about this concept from their teacher, or maybe they have watched this video, so they will get a better understanding about the concept which is given in their textbook. So my recommendation is must read your textbook which is provided by your teacher in your school. So it is very, very important to practice the questions from the back chapters for this chapter and use your textbooks.
I hope our viewer will keep this as a follow-up as well. Dr. Sidhu can be contacted for one-to-one Zoom study sessions or group study sessions for better understanding and learning experience. So, Dr. Sidhu, let's start with our question and answer session. In the last the few sessions, we also discussed about the questions you had for our viewers. Your first question was, who created matter? What is the best answer you have come up with?
This is a debatable question, and I tried understanding this question. I read many books also. I read biographies of many scientists, and I was recalling that what my teacher told me when I was growing up as a student, that who created matter. I came up with this knowledge that I was told how matter is created in this universe. But I was never ever told in my school or in my college while I was growing up in my academic career, like in my, so that who created this matter, but how matter is created, there are many theories. And I enjoyed learning about those theories as well. So, but because I am a scientist, we try to research. Science is all about logic. Science moves with logic, that is known as the scientific approach. So I was trying to research about who created this. If it is created, so someone should have created this. I came up with this understanding. To best of my understanding, the name of that creator, we call it as God, God. This is also called as the divine power or a Holy Spirit. And It has different names in different parts of the world, in different languages. Just like the compound H2O is called by different names in different languages in different parts of the world. For example, compound H2O in English, it is called water. In Hindi, H2O is called pani. In Tamil language, H2O is called thani. In Danish language, what H2O is called vant. In Sanskrit language, it is called neer or jal. I have a list in 25 languages, like in Spanish language, in Latin language, in German language, H2O is called aqua. Aqua is very common name for water, right? H2O. In Mandarin language, it is called shui. In Japanese, H2O is called mizu. In Korean language, it is called mool. In French language, H2O is called oh. In Filipino language, it is called tubic. So as H2O, compound has different name in different languages, but it has same composition, H2O, same way the creator has different names, the creator of this matter of this universe. So that is the best understanding of the creator I have come up with for this question.
As you said earlier that it is a debatable question, so again it is, but it was a very detailed answer by you. I hope the viewers will be, they will get the answer to this question, a very clear answer. So then moving on towards the next question, how matter was created?
It's a very interesting question. It always mesmerizes me whenever I think about this question. So, like for example, as the manufacturer of any product knows the material, the technologies, and the procedures used by him or by his team to manufacture that product, same way, the creator knows which material it is used for creating this universe or for creating matter. Now there are two ways to know about how this matter is created in this universe. Again, this is my personal understanding. This is what I came up with as a scientist. So one way is to read the user manual, which is provided by the product, right? Second is we can call the manufacturing company and we can talk to the team of that company to know about that product. So either way we can do, right? So what I feel is that if we want to know about how this matter is created in this universe, we have to approach the creator of this universe to know about the better understanding and better insight of the product, about this matter, about this universe. So the only way out is reach to the creator to know about this matter actually. Okay. And one more thing, look, it is all about science. Science always moves with logic, and where the logic of the science stops, where there is a period, like stop there, the questions about the answers about this question starts, and it is again a topic of great research. But yes, there are many theories, scientific theories, which have been put forward by various scientists about how this matter is created in this universe. So I read a few theories about that. They are very, very interesting theories about the how this matter is created. So like one theory is the flat earth theory. Another one is geocentric model theory. Very interesting theory is heliocentricity. Another theory about how matter is created is galacticocentricity. And very common theory is Big Bang theory, which is very popular. Big Bang theory. And last but not the least, creating particle anti-particle pairs from nothing. Creating particle anti-particle pairs from nothing is the theory which is parallel to the Big Bang theory. So Big Bang theory, in brief, I will say, it says that there is material, there was material, and somehow there was an explosion, boom, and this universe was created. And this particle anti-particle pairs theory says that this universe is created from nothing, like nothing, and then there was a boom, there was explosion, and the matter was created. It's very interesting, actually, right? But again, my understanding says this thing that nothing cannot be created from nothing. You need something to create something. You really need something to create something. So to create something, you start with some material. Where that material came from? So my question still remains that where did the material come from that created that Big Bang? So that is the last question which is still in my mind, that where that material came from to cause that Big Bang to create this universe.
I hope some. Let's all move on towards our next question. So, how many elements are listed in the periodic table so far?
Right now, in modern periodic table, there are 118 elements listed so far. So 118 elements. We will go into the detail of classification of elements in the periodic table. So how they are classified, what is the basis of classification of those elements, what are the properties of those various elements, what are the uses of those elements, we'll discuss in detail about those elements. But yes, there are 118 elements so far listed in our periodic table.
That's very interesting. Let's move on towards the last question that we have, interesting one. What is the last naturally occurring element in this universe?
So the last naturally occurring element in this universe is uranium with atomic number 92. So atomic number 92, we start with atomic number 1. Atomic number 1 to atomic number 92. These all elements are found in nature. We never created, we never synthesized these. No doubt we can synthesize these elements in lab as well, but these are naturally occurring elements in this universe. 1 to 92 atomic number, and that is uranium is the last naturally occurring element. After uranium, like we have mendelevium, we have curium, we have many more, like we have nobelium, right? All these elements are man-made elements, and they are synthesized, artificially synthesized by man in lab by doing nuclear transmutations. So that is more about the nuclear chemistry, where the nucleus can be transmuted, and the one element can be converted to the another element, because we are just transforming the nucleus of that element. So after uranium, those elements which are man-made elements, those are called transuranic elements. So after uranium, all these are man-made elements.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sidhu. You do make chemistry so much fun and easy to learn. Hope you guys enjoyed and benefited from today's session. We will continue to hold up these sessions for your better understanding. Please like and subscribe Dr. Sidhu's Academy on YouTube. This is Komal Sai from Outline Media signing off.